Hi sis, good morning. How are you? Hope all is well. I have given birth, I gave birth to a baby girl.
Oh my God!
So, sweeties, behind this Omugwu soup, there is a cultural heritage, and you don't want to miss out from it. So, welcome, sweeties, to Cook with Grace Casewell.
So there is some mint leaf, Uzize, Ehurn, Oda, Maggi cube. What's the name of this steak? Fresh pepper, onion, seasoning cube, salt, chicken, Irish potato. So these are all what I'll be using to make this pepper soup for this my friend.
So, sweeties, there is a story behind this Omugwu soup. So, without wasting much of your time, let me tell you, break it down in details. On this fateful day, I received a phone call telling me, "Oh, Grace, your friend has just put to bed." So now, I'm trying to bring out this Igbo culture in me. Not only Igbo culture in me, trying to bring out this traditional cuisine known by ages by our forefathers. This has always been a cuisine people from the southeast in Nigeria make on special occasions, okay? And more especially when a woman put to bed, this special cuisine will be specially cooked for her during her postpartum period. So let's go into this. But before then, if you find this video interesting, please don't hesitate to give us a like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Get notified anytime I post a new video. So let's go back to what Omugwu soup is all about. So it goes this way. Omugwu soup is a traditional Igbo dish from the southeast Nigeria, a renowned for its rich flavors, cultural significance, and its nutritional value. This beloved soup is stable in Igbo cuisines, often served at special occasions and family get-together, and when a woman put to bed. Okay, so there are many things you can use to make this Omugwu soup or this traditional cuisine. Some always use, you can use assorted cow meat, you can use cow meat, you can use beef, goat, chicken, whatever protein you have within you, you can use that. Also, it has a leaf they normally use. You can use scent leaf, bitter leaf, spinach, any leaf you find within your reach. You can also use that to make this cuisine. Like I said earlier, you can remember the spices and seasoning we use. We are using Uda, Uzize, Ehurn pepper, and the other one I can't even remember the name of that. Okay, so you use that, and you can also use pounded yam, the thickener, or you use pounded yam to make the soup. Whichever way, sweetie, you want to use in making this delicious cultural and traditional cuisines, feel free to use that. Okay, so one of the cultural significance this Omugwu soup gives in Igbo land, Omugwu soup holds a special place in Igbo culture with its symbolism. Number one is hospitality. Omugwu soup is often served to guests as a sign of respect and hospitality. Then in a community, this soup is frequently served as a communion gathering, fostering a sense of community. Yeah. Then in tradition, Omugwu soup is a cherished part of Igbo culturally heritage. So this is one thing the southern east Nigeria don't do without Omugwu soup. They can never do without this soup. Now let's talk about the value, which is what Omugwu soup and its nutrients it gives to the body. In terms of protein, we talk about the assorted meat and the rest of them. Then it gives vitamin and mineral. Also, is good for energy and so on and so forth, sweetie. Video, sweetie. Our soup is ready. Our Omugwu soup is ready. I personally use potato. Some people use pounded yam to make this pepper soup, but I personally use potato because the person I'm making this soup is not from the eastern part of Nigeria. Rather, she's from another nationality. So this is me trying to bring out Igbo cultural heritage to tell you that anywhere you go, anywhere you are, anywhere you find yourself, don't forget that Omugwu soup is one of the soup that you cannot do with, as long as you're an Igbo. Aside from being an Igbo, this is something you can make once a woman put to bed because it's very good. So sweeties, I love you all and see you all my next video.
So sweetie, go and see the newborn child. The newborn baby. We have our cookies, we have our bumpers. The bumpers are here, so and a lot of things. Okay, so let's go. I'm taking taxi. Yeah, too much for that's why I want to take taxi. You just want to take taxi.
So that's our baby. So I have to cover her face. So love you all and see you on my next one. Bye bye.